absolutely groundbreaking, and it supports the female in construction.
My name is Sharifa Mohammed. I'm doing a plumbing course in Harrow College. I was really happy seeing a lot of people, or should I say a lot of females, doing plumbing more than 5 years. Some are doing 5 years, some are doing 4 years. Oh my God. At least this makes me happy that I chose the right course. Maybe next year I'll try and participate again. I really enjoy it.
My name's Angel Woods. I'm in level 2 plumbing. I'm participating in the SPARKS competition female 2023. I hope to gain a bit of experience out of this.
I gotta lay down, think I've done enough for today. Did what I had to do and this is enough for me. Never meant to be a winner, never.
Hiya, my name's Ruby, I'm from Stelrad and I'm here at HIP today at the Harrow College, just supporting the event. So far being here, it's great, kind of, in the college it's great, the training facilities are amazing.
Hello, I'm Sophia and I study electrical installation for free at Harrow Weald College.
Hi, I'm Roksana and I'm studying electrical installation at Harrow College.
We both took part in the female SPARKS competition.
These competitions are giving a lot of empowerment to females that are scared or less confident to go in this type of working environment. So it does help a lot to gain confidence and feel empowered as a woman in construction.
I don't feel like I should. I feel it like that. Well, they say it's a lie, but
Hi, I'm Zoe Tanner, I'm the Managing Director of SNG Publishing. Our titles include HIP, SPARKS and Concept Hair. Today we have held the very first female skills competition for both HIP and SPARKS here at Harrow College. We are absolutely thrilled with the number of attending colleges, how well the girls have done in the competition, but also as well the fantastic facilities, the help and support that we've received from the learners and the lecturers at Harrow. We're incredibly grateful and we would love to return in the future.